There was a time where it's very important because, especially with women, they change their hairstyle so much. So their headshot might look like a blonde chick, and they go to the audition, and she's brunette with a short hair. And it's like, you look nothing like your headshot. Or some people don't update their headshots. Like, some people will use the same headshot for like 10 years, and like, you are clearly not 20 anymore. What are you doing?
I've looked into it myself, actually. I read a book from Jenna Fisher from The Office, who's actually from St. Louis herself. And she kind of gives a breakdown of what it was like for her career. And a section that really sticks out was the headshot. How important is that when you're looking for roles?
Nowadays, not as important, but there was a time where it's very important because, especially with women, they change their hairstyle so much. So their headshot might look like a blonde chick, and they go to the audition, and she's brunette with a short hair. And it's like, you look nothing like your headshot. Or some people don't update their headshots. Like, some people will use the same headshot for like 10 years, and like, you are clearly not 20 anymore. What are you doing? And it gets a lot of people in trouble. They're like, what? The headshot is an introduction. The headshot is casting director's version of Tinder. It's like, yep, nope, 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 yep, yep. And that's really how it is. So it's like, what do you do to stick out? Well, the reason I say that it doesn't really matter as much now is because social media has now changed a lot of things. So now it's more like, what's your numbers like? I've had auditions where they're like, what's your following? How big is your? It's like, what about my talent? It's not a talent town. Because there's two type of people in LA that make it. There's the talented people, and then there's the people who just won't give up. Those are the only two, because and a lot happens in between. There's the talented folks. You can see the Denzels, and you can see like, man, Denzel is talented. But then you'll see some actors be like, that person sucks. Why are they even on TV? How did they get? They didn't give up. And then, everybody will have a time. Everybody you might not end up being Eddie Murphy. You might be Charlie Murphy, who is still actually was really good. So headshots are important. I go to are not really important. Like, I go to castings all the time now, and they're like, we don't need your headshot. Like, I've had the same headshot for years, and I still probably have maybe like the same amount. Only very few old school casting directors will ask for a headshot, but they end up throwing them all away. Because they're like, all right, thank you for your headshot. If you're bad, they're like, all right, and boom, it's in the trash. And now, because LA and California is so green, they do digital headshots. So they're just like, well, we got it on the computer. As long as we just want to make sure you look like what you look like, and you're done.